Hey guys, Dave here from iOgrapher. Today's 2-minute tech tutorial, we're going to take a look at the iOgrapher Mini Ring Light 2. So this is it right here. When you open it up, you're going to get the mini ring light and you're going to get a charger, and we're going to show you how to use it. So of course it's got the little clip here, so you can grab your phone and put it over the camera there. If you want some light, you can of course put it on the side. If you're doing selfie stuff, you put it right there, the camera's there, it's gonna film right into you, you're gonna get some really nice light. So let's look at how do you charge this thing. So it comes with a USB charger. Now on top here, you're gonna see this little area that's got an on button and the USB charging area. So we're gonna pull this back gently. Now if you pull this too hard, this is gonna come off and you're not gonna be happy because you're gonna have to put your finger in there all the time to turn it on and off. So be careful with this. And then we're just gonna charge it here and plug it into a USB source and you're good to go. Once that's done, put this back, just run your finger over it once and it's all perfect. So now we're gonna check this out. When you press the button once, there's the basic light, twice, 3 times, and that is it. So you're gonna get 3 different types of light: low, medium, and high. And you can be the judge of whether or not which light source looks best to you. A lot of people use just the medium one because that's all they need. This is the highest level. So that's all there is to do. It's really simple to use. You can get a bunch of these and clamp them around as having light sources to things, but it's a really cool little light. The iOgrapher ring light, mini ring light. Check it out today. I hope this helped you. Dave Basulto. I am signing out. Have a great day.